Hello everyone. To install Tor browser in Kali Linux, open terminal and write sudo apt install -y tor browser-launcher. Then hit enter. This command will download and install Tor browser, which is the safest web browser. After installation, you can run it from all applications. It will download for the first time, then start. Connect to Tor network and now you can browse internet anonymously. It uses DuckDuckGo search engine. Let's search YouTube. We can change security level. Let's try safest. We can also change our identity by clicking on this icon. Since our security is safest, that's why YouTube is not loading. So I recommend to set it to safer, and now it's loading. So this is how you can install Tor browser in any Linux. See you in the next one.